Cessna 59 Bravo Juliet, established on the extended downwind for 10.
Cessna 9 Bravo Juliet, Roger, I'll call your base. You'll be number 3 to the field.
I'll call my base, number 3 from field, 9 Bravo Juliet.
Driver City Tower, Hawkeye 925, 3 mile, final for 10.
Okay, 925, Roger. Using 1061, Driver City Tower, runway 10, line up and wait, traffic, Cessna 3 mile final.
Runway 10, line up and wait, allegiant, 1061.
Archer 6 Bravo Golf, been able to turn right heading 150.
Right heading 150, 356 Bravo Golf.
Okay, 925, do you have the Boeing 737 holding position runway 10 in sight?
We have that traffic in sight, Hawkeye 925.
Okay, 925, Roger, maintain visual separation, caution, make turbulence.
Maintain visual separation, Hawkeye 925.
Legion 1061, fly runway heading runway 10, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 10, clear for takeoff, Legion 1061.
Okay, 925, runway 10, clear, touch and go. After touch and go, make the left traffic.
Clear, touch and go 10, left traffic, Hawkeye 925.
7 Bravo Golf, continue traffic to follow, passing number, and now altitude indicates 1,500.
Traffic in sight will be number 2 to descend Bravo Golf.
7 Bravo Golf, number 2, runway 10, clear to land.
Runway 10, clear to descend Bravo Golf.
Number 9 Bravo Juliet, space turn approved, to be number 3, runway 10, clear to land.
Staging approved, 9 Bravo Juliet, clear to land, 10.
Number 6 Bravo Golf, contacting the epicenter, safe flight.
Over to center, see ya, 356 Bravo Golf.
Trevor City 327 Bravo Golf, you still have our base, you want us to turn now?
Number 7 Bravo Golf, you can base turn now.
I'll make a base turn now, 327 Bravo Golf.
Legion 1061, contacting the epicenter, safe flight.
As well.
Legion 1061, contacting the epicenter.
Switch center, Legion 1061.